Okay, what's up guys, and welcome back to another episode. I'm out here fishing with Adam from Troutopia YouTube channel. We're gonna be doing some carp fishing today. Hopefully we can land some. It's a beautiful spring day. It was pretty cold this morning, but thankfully it warmed up, and seems like we're already getting a bite over here.
That wasn't you, was it?
Anyway, I'm just gonna get started here, cast out, because I still haven't done that. And hopefully we can get some. So let's just get started and see if we can catch some carp. Let's go.
Watch out, please.
I'm probably gonna put this one kind of close in, if I'm honest. You're there? Alright. I'm hoping it just runs this way, not that way. I don't want to get snared with your line.
No way!
Oh my god, I just freaking put it in! What the heck? I just put it in! That's a carp. It's on this side. Oh my god, that was the quickest I've ever gotten a bite. That's insane. I haven't even put the other rod in yet.
Bro, that was so quick. I was watching you put that in. That's a nice size.
It's a nice size too.
Good start.
Fantastic start.
Fantastic start. I freaked out.
Oh my goodness, are you kidding?
That's about the average size here.
I'm just surprised by how quick that is.
That was insane. He just put his line in the water.
Nice. Thanks for the net jump, bro. That's a good one.
That's a good one.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
That's
All right, I don't even have everything ready. One sec. Give me 1 sec. I'll go get the thing.
I like that. That's cool. Got little flotation devices on it.
Yeah.
I told you, yeah.
It's just to like keep it like alive, I guess, for the filming. All right, let's try to get both rods cast out before we catch another carp. That was crazy. Honestly, the quickest I've ever caught a carp. Oh, you got a bite too? No way. Double up. Double up. Oh my goodness, it just kicked off. We just got here. We've been here for like 15 minutes. Adam's hooked up over there, guys. I got one in the retainer already. This should be the second one of the day if we can land it.
Hey John, there's a trail down here this way.
Oh, I can go that way? All right.
I don't know about with that big net though. It's tight, bro. Be careful.
Hey, I'll get in the water if I have to.
Oh, I really don't want to lose them.
All right, you know what? I'm gonna probably get in the water, try to net this fish for you.
Holy moly, I just saw a bunch of them. I saw a bunch of them.
Oh my god, that's a big one. Oh yes. Bro, get it in there, bro. That's pretty good fish too. See, that's why you have a big net, bro. It's a lot easier.
Definitely useful.
Woo! All right, guys, it only took maybe 15 minutes and we got a double here.
This one's freaking.
Adam's got a pretty lively one. Mine came out to be around 12 pounds. I think his is a hair bigger, maybe around 13 pounds, but a hell of a start to the morning. I'm so glad to have made the trip all the way up here. It's already paying off, and we still got a lot of time left, so hopefully we can catch a few more.
Bigger ones too.
Yeah. Alright guys, we're about to release this carp. Oh, there he goes.
He's already ready.
There he goes. So there they go. Yours was feisty. It never stopped fighting, bro. Well, there you go. Let's go try to catch another one. All right, the question is, can I get cast out? Can I get both of my rods cast out before either me or Adam get bit again? We'll see. Honestly, I also forgot to mention that Adam's dad his name's also John. He's fishing with us today. He's been a massive help already with the filming, so thank you, John, for your help. Big shout out to him. It's honestly like maybe 4 or 5 feet in there, maybe. Oh my god, no way. Okay, he came off. What? I didn't even finish putting the rod on the thing and it went off. I'm honestly like, my jaw's on the floor right now with this spot, bro. What is this? So we've been sitting here for a few minutes now. We've just seen like maybe 3 or 4 carp just cruising, some jumping over there. We just saw one, about the same size.
Right near his lines right now.
Yeah, just like above where my lines are. Hooked up again, guys. Adam's absolutely killing it today. Second fish of the day for him. Another decent one. I know, it stays on the hook so long too, it really helps.
I've missed so many using corn regularly. Woo!
Nice.
Let's go, man.
Let's go.
Got that thermometer in your
I didn't bring
backpack,
anything.
Dad?
I have on mine. That's a little 50, you think? It's a bit cold. Let's see how good you are at your temperatures. It does feel quite cold, not gonna
With
lie.
an air conditioner line, I'd be more accurate.
Yeah.
Because that's what I do.
I never know how long you're supposed to keep it. I just kind of keep it for like a minute and then check it. Oh, that's a bite for sure.
Worry about
Oh. If you're able to catch this, it means, oh, it's a good one. It means we've all gotten one. Take your time. It'll get tired eventually. Oh, here comes. Nice. Here, get him. Nice one.
He's got a couple of little hook holes in his mouth. He's been caught before, dude.
Really? No way.
Look, he's got 2 or 3 hook holes.
Right, one there, one there.
One there.
Oh, look at that. Catch and release. It works.
Might be the same fish. Hey, buddy. Bullet. And then I lost your thermometer.
I honestly completely forgot about that too. What's the temperature looking like?
Oh, you guys are right. 63.
All right, wait, guys. Adam's gonna have to leave, so thank you so much, Adam. It's been a pleasure fishing with you. John, just the same. So yeah, I'm just gonna stake it out a little bit longer, but they're gonna have to leave. So goodbye, and all the links will be down in the comments. Check out Chartopia down in the description. So today's choice for food is a McDonald's bagel. Yeah, not very healthy, but just wanted something quick. All right, so Adam just left. I'm probably gonna move my rods where he was because there was a lot more carp activity on this side. God, I just broke off. No way. What went wrong there? Clean off. I don't know what happened there. Well, I have a few more rigs and I have a little more bait, so I'm gonna retie and recast. Unfortunately, that was the last bite of the day. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and click the logo to subscribe for more carp content on the channel.